Hi parents, teacher Haja here. Today I'm going to teach you how to teach your children to write consonant plus vowel consonant words. So we have three here. We have grow, play and glow. So to make it creative, I do like this and ask the children to write down here. Okay, let's move to another slide. I'm going to show you how to do it one by one. So let's go parents. Okay, let's do the first word. We have grow. So we write G first, circle, then go down like this, then R. O and W, same size. Good job! You got to knock one color. Teacher will knock blue. Wow! Good one. Let's do another one. We have play here. So P straight down, then half circle. L A like this, then Y. Play. Good job. You can knock another color. Teacher will knock yellow. Wow, amazing. We move to next one. We have glow. G, go down, then L, O, W. Good job. The last one, teacher will knock which one you want. Okay, green. Good job. Don't forget to give the children enforcer. Okay, bye-bye. That's all from Teacher Haja.